Hello children. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So in the previous class we have discussed multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Yes, what did we do? Suppose we had a fraction 1 by 2 into whole number 5. We multiplied the numerator with the whole number, then divided by our denominator. 1 into 5, 5 divided by 2. Yes, this was multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Now what is a multiplication of a proper fraction by another proper fraction? See, suppose Anil had 1 by 4 of an apple. Yes, what does 1 by 4 means? Apple was cut into 4 parts and Anil has one part of it and he ate half of this piece of the apple. Now from this 1 by 4, this is the 1 by 4 piece. From this he ate half of the piece. From this piece he ate half. Now what fraction of the whole apple did he eat? See, consider this circle as our apple, children. It was divided into 4 parts and Anil had 1 by 4th of it. Now from this he ate only half. That means this part was divided into again 2 parts and he ate only 1 part. Now how will you find out this 1 by 2 of the total 1 by 4? Okay, what should we find out? He ate 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. He ate half of the 1 by 4th apple. Now again, as I said, of means multiplication. Of represents here multiplication. When I say 1 by 2 of 1 by 4, we need to multiply them. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Okay? Yes. Now this part here represents 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. Okay. But how will we write it in numbers? We need not, in exam, we should write the answer in numbers. We should not just draw a diagram and leave. Yes? Understood, children? First the concept should be clear. Anil had 1 by 4 and from this 1 by 4 he ate only 1 by 2. That means he ate only this part of the apple. Now how much is this part in fractions? That we should find out. It is 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. That is nothing but, see, take out one part of it and label it as O, A in as shown in 3. Where is the figure 3 here? Okay. So yes, this is the part that he ate, A. Now for this, divide each of the remaining 1 by 4 parts into 2 equal parts as shown in figure 4 and observe them. Yes, here what did we do, children? See, first the circle was divided into 4 parts and from this 4, what did Anil do? From the 1/4, he again divided into 2 parts. So let us divide, and he ate how much? He ate this much, only 1 by 2. So in the same way, let us divide the remaining parts also into 2. Yes, so we have divided the remaining parts also into 2. Now how many parts are we having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the total number of parts of apple are 8. Now from these parts, how many parts did Anil eat, children? Anil ate only one part. So 1 by 8 becomes the, so Anil ate 1 by 8 portion of the apple. Understood? As Anil divided his piece into 2 halves, we divided the remaining pieces also into 2 halves. Yes, and then when we counted the total number of parts that the apple was divided into, we got 8 parts as the answer. And from these, how many did Anil eat? Anil ate only 1. So 1 by 8 is the fraction of the part that Anil ate. How many parts did Anil have with him? Anil had this. That is nothing but 2 parts. Yes, Anil had 2 by 8, but he ate only 1 by 8. Understood, children, the concept? Anil had this part. Yes, Anil had this part with him. That is nothing but 2 by 8, but he ate only 1 by 8th of the apple. So in general, multiplication of two factors, say P by Q and R by